Now I got where that E minor comes in. Let's try to figure out where that E minor came in at. So it goes.
What did you get? Oh,
Say hi, Tristan.
Hi, Tristan.
Yeah, you're so funny. Is this making you feel uncomfortable?
No.
Okay, let's see you on your own. Come on. I'm gonna put this on YouTube, so let's just see what you got. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Show Mama what you got. Okay. Nice. Nice.
Okay, so the chorus
Yeah, money. Okay, say hi to the YouTube fans.